Oke Besti, hello guys, hello warga netizen semua, perkongsian pilihan pula. Kali ini sensasi. Kami gembira anggota kumpulan Dola akhirnya bersuara isu Sasha Riza keluar grup. Korang mesti tahu kan guys, oke lah nak update korang juga lah kat sini. Kalau korang nak tahu keputusan Sasha untuk mengundurkan diri dari kumpulannya membuatkan ramai peminat sedih. Lebih mengejutkan, salah satu sebab pengunduran Sasha dari Dola adalah dia mahu berkahwin. Baiklah guys, dia macam begini. Ketika sesi bersama media di Majlis Rumah Terbuka Universal Music Malaysia 2024, Dola akhirnya memberikan respon mengenai pengunduran Sasha Rizal. Seperti yang korang sedia maklum, 3 anggota lain Sabronzo, Tebi dan Angel meluahkan rasa gembira buat Sasha dan hormat akan keputusannya walaupun populariti berada di puncak. Dalam pada masa yang sama, Tebi juga berkata walaupun mereka bersedih apabila banyak perubahan berlaku, namun mereka masih kekalkan hubungan baik bersama bekas anggota berkenaan. Manakala di dalam caption dia mengatakan kami bertiga gembira untuk Sasha dan keputusannya untuk berkahwin. Lagi tambahnya kami hormat dengan keputusan Sasha. Jom beralih guys. Sementara itu pihak Universal Music Malaysia menyatakan pengumuman pengunduran Sasha dibuat sebelum hari Raya Aidilfitri disebabkan tiada masa yang sesuai. Caption lain mengatakan tiada kontrak tidak boleh berkahwin dan kontrak ini tidak dipakai di Malaysia. Kalau korang nak tahu guys, mereka juga menegaskan Sasha masih di bawah naungan Universal Music Malaysia walaupun sudah keluar dari kumpulannya. Yang ini untuk rekod lah guys. Untuk makluman korang, kumpulan Dola ditubuhkan pada 2019 dengan 4 ahli tetap iaitu Angel, Sabrozo, Tebi dan Sasha. Oke lah Besti, kalau korang nak tahu lebih lanjut, jom kita layan video temu bual bersama Dola dan pengarah urusan Universal Music Malaysia.
Bila Sasha membuat keputusan untuk menarik diri, bila perbincangan itu berlaku,
Sasha still have an existing contract with Universal Music, right? Because the way that we have formed our contract is individually they have formed the contract because they have actually come in as an individual artist prior before. Then we formed Dola. So all of them has individual contracts. So of course it's their responsibility to share that news dengan kita whenever they feel that they may want to undurkan diri, which I think individually all of them have this conversation with me every year. Like where is our direction, what we want to do this year and things. That's why it's a common conversations between the girls and also the company. So it's not any individual's decision making. So when Sasha decided that she wants to have this conversation, she will have to bring this up to the company first. And then we went through the conversation. To be honest, it's actually quite fast because we are in the planning of moving forward with the girls in terms of promotion in Malaysia ataupun Singapore ataupun Indonesia release the news.
so it's before.
Officially dia punya contract dah.
Tak. Actually, that's why I'm making this statement. Officially, her contract is not. Her contract is still with Universal Music.
So how is she going to make up the rest of the years yang dia?
Actually, none of the contract they are committed to do anything. They are just committed basically as a girl group on how we actually want to move forward with the promotion. And it is a perbincangan between both parties. It is not a company decision, nor is the girls' decision individually. So we all will come to consensus. Okay, this year what we want to do, which country we want to go. So individually, they also will tell me what is their direction, what do they want to do, which holiday they want to go, and we have this discussion very commonly with each other.
So any possibility Sasha akan tampil solo dengan lagu-lagu baru?
Oh, we do not know yet because that's also depending on how our discussion with Sasha. So Sasha can have any conversations with us. At the moment now, she has made the decision on she wants to stop for a while. So we are just going through that way and we're going to respect her decision.
Dalam masa terdekat, adakah tempat Sasha akan digantikan atau maintain 3 orang?
All I can tell you is we make plans year by year. So I can say this year there's no such plan because the girls has actually agreed to work hard to try to make whatever that we have been committed to the brands or also our media partners and also platforms this year to continue with our journey. Whether after this year how we're going to do, because it's a very tough work from 4 girls to 3 girls to be honest. I think all of you will know that. So the girls has actually agreed to do this by themselves and going to work double, triple hard to make this happen.
Ada sesi pujuk-memujuk tak waktu Sasha mengumumkan untuk keluar daripada
I don't think there is. Why I'm saying all this is because the first channel that comes into communication is me. That's why the girls, we also know exactly how we want to inform the girls. You can ask the girls later. But I think the way I do things is very simple. When you come to me, you bring forward, if someone say I want to resign in your company, I will respect the decision because you already have a lot of thoughts behind why you want to do it. That's a simple thing. So why do you still need to pujuk memujuk?
Dalam grup WhatsApp ke macam mana? Sasha bercakap dengan you guys semua dia nak keluar dari Dola.
Mestilah dia bagi tahu depan-depan. Actually at that moment mestilah ada rasa perasaan sedih juga. because of the change and everything that's happening. Tapi together we actually still talk, we're still friends, and we have agreed to be happy together and support her decision. Likewise.
Hari tu ada pergi ke Sasha nikah, dia punya wedding?
No, she did a very private. Yeah, private.
So you guys tak tahu dia nak nikah? Tahu tak dia nak nikah sebenarnya?
Masa dia nak berhenti,
masa dia keluar
tu dia.
Okay, let me rephrase that. Of course, every decision that she made at that time, she has to share it with us. But then it's also her family decision to wanted to do this in much more private. So we also respected that. So in my conversations with her is, if you do it, you either do it big or you have to do it really private. Which then, because if like setengah ada, setengah tak ada, then it's also going to be a lot of questions because it's going to be the family decision anyway. And then like you say, during raya time, nanti we jemput separuh, tak jemput separuh, then what happened? You know, so we have had that discussion with Sasha and said, okay, why don't we do this as a family saja? Because at that time, Saboso is also not in town, and we cannot. Again, we do not want to hinder the plan of what she wants to do.
Okay. Personally, kalau selepas ini Universal terbuka untuk mengambil ahli baru, you guys?
Okay.
I think for Universal, we have this question. To be honest, we have people actually like, I seriously have people sending in to say that I should be the fourth member. But I think we have a lot of big plans for what we want to do with Dollar, whether it's Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. So the most important thing is our plan is going to go forward with the 3 goals, because it's already a lot of work to try to reform everything. Doesn't mean we are not sacrificing anyone, it's not. But I think as a company, we are a big company. The direction has to go, and I'd say my objective and vision has to go. So we will definitely move forward, and whatever that Sasha wants to say, she will have a separate session with you guys separately, and we have already had that discussion when she's ready. As for now, the 3 girls, that's where we are heading. Like I say, whether it's going to be another additional member or not, it's only, I would say, after whatever we need to do this year, then only we will have that discussion. At the moment now, we have no time to actually think about it. That's why we try to address this one shot, and then whatever speculation that you all may have is okay. Then if I say whoever wants to say anything, but as for the facts, this is